Here we go, look, it's another gloomy summer's day. We have this cloud that hopefully will burn off. Had a lot of it recently. Some of the days have been quite dark and dull. Anticyclonic gloom, I think it's called. But jets today, that's the theory. We've got one down there, the great big English lightning is coming out of its trailer. The only one to arrive so far. We'll see how many turn up. But the airfield's looking good, eh? In pristine condition, look at that. All the arrestor grass is installed and waiting. Except for this piece over here, where it's all mown like a billiard table. Look at that. Beautiful. Here we are, the illustrious Runway Ron has arrived. What you got, Ron? What you got? Phone. Flying your phone today?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm not flying anything else.
So you've been to the Neil School of Launches.
Yeah.
How'd that happen?
Oh, auto launch.
Auto launch, but yeah, but it doesn't recover from inverted,
No,
apparently.
apparently not.
How crap is that? Who would have thought that? Why didn't it just roll the right way up and or push them down the elevator and keep flying inverted? That's terrible. Over here though, we've got a real hive of activity because the jet guys have turned up. That's the new scale model.
Jet-powered mower.
Yeah, jet powered mower. It's not very fast though.
No.
But it does have a beautiful blinky light, Ron.
Yeah.
I do like the blinky light. A strobe. So they're busy mowing the tarmac.
Well, the other guys are
Yeah, they got this
burning
big
the grass.
British Electric lightning over here, which is you can't really see for the long grass. But the airfield's closed for 3 days this week, Ron, for maintenance. So I expect next time you see a video, the grass will all be short and polished and pristine in every way.
Yeah.
It'll be fabulous. And what's the temperature for today, Ron? What are they predicting?
26,
And what do you reckon it is now?
about 19.
Wouldn't even be that, would it? Not when the wind blows. She's a bit cool.
Yeah.
In fact, we've got Stephanie's all rugged up for winter. Look at her. She's got jacket, long pant. Well, what are they? Capri pants, aren't they? I don't know.
Long shorts.
Long shorts, short longs. And it's grey. It's so dull and grey that the camera won't even focus.
That aeroplane's going to blend into the sky lovely.
Yep, it's going to be very hard to orient. She's making a bit of smoke, that mower, on. So they're running it on. Here we go. They're going to be there all day mowing. They won't be doing any
They're taking
flying.
more fuel out now.
Have they run out of fuel already? Because tomorrow's crap, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, tomorrow we got rain and wind. So this is all we got. This is all we got to fly in. Have to make the most of it.
And it looks like only one jet's alright.
There's only one jet
Well,
here.
unless Chris has got something in his car that he's not going to fly.
I don't think Chris would fly. It's too dangerous. But they got the high vis, eh? That's got to count for something. Got new motors in it now. 2 new motors. Just a taxi test, is it? Are they going to fly it? Oh no! Oh no, the undercarriage has collapsed. That's unfortunate. Yeah, they put it back on its feet again. You might have just bumped the wrong switch. It happens. Oh, are they turning it off?
No?
Yeah, you just texting it.
We know it's working. Go. Doesn't matter. Right?
That's the gear and range check, or gear check and range check taken care of all at once.
I may as well go over with mine.
You go over.
I may as well take mine over and fly over there.
You should.
Because otherwise it's going to be, the day's going to go.